Today I'm going to share a very important disease that remains hidden most of the time, but it can be dangerous to your kidneys. It can damage your kidneys over time and lead to severe kidney disease. This damage is not simple. It shows some symptoms like foamy urine, dark color urine, smelly urine, and most importantly, weakness and fatigue that trouble your lifestyle. This is nephrotic syndrome. In today's video, I will discuss nephrotic syndrome, its symptom, cause, and treatment. So stay tuned till the end, because understanding this condition could save lives. Hello and a very warm good morning to all our viewers. I am Dr. Madhvi Vash from Bharat Homeopathy. I have extensive clinical experience and expertise in treating kidney disorders with natural and holistic treatment along with a kidney-friendly diet. Okay, so now let's discuss what nephrotic syndrome is. See, your kidney filter 50 gallons of blood every single day, and this filtration work is done by glomeruli, which are the filtration units of the kidneys. Nephrotic syndrome is not a single disease, but rather a group of symptoms that occur when glomeruli are damaged. These glomeruli are tiny blood vessels in your kidneys. They remove excess waste and excess fluid from your blood and send them to your bladder as urine. But what exactly happens in nephrotic syndrome? In nephrotic syndrome, glomeruli becomes leaky. As a result, important proteins, especially albumin, escape into the urine instead of staying in the bloodstream. Normally, we lose less than 150 milligram of protein in the urine per day. In nephrotic syndrome, it can be over 3.5 grams per day. That's nearly 20 times higher. Now, the very important question is, how do you know if you have nephrotic syndrome or the initial stage of it? Well, it's very important to diagnose the disease at its initial stages so that it can be managed on time. The first and very noticeable symptom is swelling and edema. You may have puffy eyes in the morning or swelling on the ankles, feet, or abdomen, or you may also observe full body swelling in severe cases. You may notice foamy urine. This is due to proteinuria or protein leak in the urine. The third symptom is weakness and fatigue due to loss of protein and essential nutrients. Weight gain is also very noticeable symptom. This is not due to fat but rather a result of fluid retention, also known as ascites. The fifth symptom is loss of appetite. You may even lose interest in delicious cuisines. Poor appetite may be due to accumulation of uric acid in the body. Shortness of breath or difficulty breathing may also be experienced due to fluid retention. Sometimes a patient may also experience abdominal pain. Now let's move on to the very important part of this video, the causes of nephrotic syndrome, which will help you to be proactive and decide what you need to take care of. The first cause could be minimal change disease. It is most common in children. Under the microscope, the kidneys look normal, but special tests reveal damage. It's usually responsive to steroids. The second cause could be amyloidosis. Amyloid is the protein buildup in your vital organs. Amyloidosis most commonly occurs in the kidneys, affecting their ability to filter. Diabetes can also lead to kidney damage. This condition is diabetic nephropathy. It typically causes numbness, tingling, muscle weakness, and pain in your affected area. Now, the fourth and very important cause is focal segmental glomerulosclerosis. It is a scarring and scattered section of kidneys filtering units, more common in adults and may lead to chronic kidney disease. An autoimmune condition may also cause kidney damage. Membranous nephropathy is another cause in which your body's immune system attacks the filtering membranes in your kidneys. The next cause is lupus. It is an autoimmune disease that causes inflammation and swelling and pain throughout your body, including your kidneys. I know this is a very important question in your mind. Can this kidney syndrome be treated without any side effects? So the answer is yes. It is absolutely treatable with natural and holistic medicines along with dietary management. I have a record of thousands of patients who had chronic kidney disease, kidney damage and nephrotic syndrome, high creatinine of 13 to 14 mg per dl and low GFR below the 60 ml per minute. Now they are absolutely healthy and have no kidney problems. Their creatinine levels are now normal, kidney disease like CKD is managed and now they are living healthy lives. This has become possible with Bharat Homeopathy personalized and customized treatment prescribed after evaluating the condition. So if you or your loved one is struggling with any kidney disorder, then no worries, we are here to help you. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, share and subscribe to Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for more health related interesting videos. Thanks.